Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing of the February premium box. I have not received my base box yet, so there will be no try on until I get all the items so I can kind of see what I can use, what I can't use, just because I like to kind of condense that. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in what I got in this month's premium BoxyCharm box, then please keep it. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription box where you can get different levels and variations. They have their base box, their premium, and then every quarter they have their luxe, all the different prices. Their base box is going for about $25 to $30. I don't know the exact amount. It used to be 25. I think it went up to like 27 or something. And then their premium is a little bit higher than that. It's like 30, 32, maybe 30. I don't know. If I can find the prices, I will list everything off to the side. And then their luxe, they charge you an additional like 50 bucks or 30 bucks or whatnot. And you can only get that with the base box. So you get a good amount of items. They're all full sized. They got high-end brands, new brands, indie brands. They got all sorts of brands up in here. So if you guys are interested in a beauty subscription box, please go check that out. Everything will be linked down below, their website and whatnot. And so yeah, let's just get back right into the video. So you guys, I know I sound a little weird, and that is because I am battling a cold. I'm almost over it. And I was kind of waiting to film this video because like I could not breathe and I was blowing my nose. I was a runny faucet. It was a hot mess. So today's finally like, oh, okay, I could probably sit down without having to run in the bathroom and like blow my nose every 5 minutes. So yeah, anyway, but let me quit rambling. So the last time I had BoxyCharm was about 2 years ago. The boxes were kind of, I was just not feeling it after a little bit. So I kind of stopped. I stopped the subscription, and I had my baby, blah, 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 blah. If you guys didn't know that video, why I was gone, catch up on that video. But anyway, so during the time while I was, you know, with my newborn and whatnot, I missed having BoxyCharm. I was like, man, I really miss BoxyCharm, but I don't know if it's worth it. Should I do it? So this year, this January, actually, my husband was just like, look, let's just do it. And we paid in advance. We paid for the year. And that's with base and premium. So thank you, babe. I love you. Because that's hefty price tag. But anyway, so I got my last month's box a little late, and I was like, you know, I'm not even gonna bother filming it because it's too late. I was a little underwhelmed, just a smidge. Just a smidge. So I have high hopes for this month. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have high hopes for this month just because last month was like a little It was okay. It was good. I don't know. I just felt like because I kind of got into the game for that month late, I kind of got like the caca. So, does that make sense? I'm not even gonna take, I'm trying to find the little card thing that they always put in there that says like the list of the products and whatnot. BoxyCharm, treat your heart out. Oh wait. Okay, so this is weird. Okay, so on the back of the little thing that they normally put the prices on, it says epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you about it. Follow us on Instagram at BoxyCharm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. I follow them, and I've been following them for like the past 2 years, and I mean, I haven't seen any epic news, so there's that. But all right, let me see if there's another one with the list. There's no list on the prices, so give me a minute and I'm gonna Google some stuff and see if I can find the prices online. All right, you guys. So I didn't even want to show you guys the products until I had the prices, just because I don't know. That's super odd why I didn't have the stuff. But I found some prices, so we're gonna continue. I don't know if this was like an accident, a one-time thing. So yeah, because last month, I don't think I had the prices either. This better not be a thing, BoxyCharm, because that's a no bueno. I want to know the value of my box. I want to know that it's worth me giving you my money. So this, no. We need prices. But anyway, let's get into it. So the first item that I see, that I Googled, was this Ciate Royal London palette. I found this online for $48. I like the royal blue. That's my birthstone color, sapphire. So like anything like that color I like. So let's just go ahead and open her up. Oh my god, I can't. And let's take a look at these shades. Guys, if I sound really icky, I'm sorry. I am sick. And I already feel like the urge, but I don't want to blow my nose. Okay. Oh, I just took out this little thing. So it does come with a little mirror, like you can see there. And then these are the shades. I feel it's pretty well balanced of warm. It's mainly warm tones, but you got some cool tones in there. Now, the navy blue shade Jubilee, I'm a little underwhelmed with that one. I was hoping for more of like a royal blue color. So this color is just like, meh, to me. But this one looks pretty. I really have my favorite palette that has my birthstone colors from Jeffree Star. So I don't want to swatch these because I don't think I'll keep this palette. I might put this in a giveaway, so I really don't want to touch it other than showing you guys the shades. The next item that I Googled was the Ace Beauty Lip. I found this for $17.99. I like the box. I just wish it said the oh, it says it on the back. I'm sorry. This is the shade Manifest. Let's open this up. Oh, you push it. Ooh. Oh, guys. Look how cute that is. Wow. I like that. I love how it matches like everything. Ooh. Oh, there's some like, maybe it's just because of it's been sitting, but can you guys see that? I think it's because it's been sitting. I like that it's a neutral. I really don't want to try this on. Because I want to wait for my base box, because you never know what's in there. I don't know. Ooh, okay, so when you go to open it, I thought it was going to be like a pop open, but you twist this little doohickey up here. And this, that is a long applicator stick. Is it focusing? Here we go. This is a really long applicator stick, and the doe foot's really small. It is pointed. Like I could barely breathe, but I'm going to smell it anyway. I don't smell anything. So that for me is a bonus because I don't really like scented lip stuff. It's very rare that I will wear any scented product. But again, I don't want to swatch anything because I don't know what's going to happen with my base box. And I'd love to do like a little try on with both of the boxes. But I do like this. I'll probably end up keeping that. And that one I found for $17.99. I believe you can get all this stuff from BoxyCharm's Mega Drop Shop. The prices differ on there. So the next was one of my choice items, which was the Secret Garden Blush Palette. This I found for British pounds, which is like 45 British pounds. So it's roughly the same dollar value. So just $45, just imagine that. So yeah, this was one of my choice items. So here is the palette. It says, delve into the Secret Garden Blush and Glow Palette to find gorgeous range of highly pigmented 3D blushes that will add an entrancing, beautifully glowy warmth. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. It has a mirror. It has one of these little things, so I'm going to just take that out. They're very bright, so I wonder how these are going to swatch. But here are the colors in the blush palette. I typically stay towards the neutral side of blushes if I even wear a blush. I don't really like a strong blush. So this is very interesting. Again, I wish I had my base box because I would have done like a try on with both boxes. But so yeah, that one I found for 45 British pounds. And then the next one was another choice item, if I can find it, which is the Ren Serum. This retails for about 60 bucks. This is the Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. I would definitely use this just because my skin is sensitive. It is oily. It has hormonal acne prone. But then again, like my pores clogged. So, I mean, like I can get irritated and whatnot. So this I would definitely, absolutely use. I'm just trying to see. Here we go. A Velvet Touch Soothing Serum to calm and relieve discomfort in irritated and sensitive skin prone to redness. Strengthens the skin's moisture barrier to help protect against environmental, aggressors. So yeah, I would definitely use this. Absolutely. That's beautiful. And then let's see, we had, oh yeah, where is that little thing I found? The Honest Lip. This one I found for $15.99. The Honest Beauty. This is the shade Love. This is a liquid lippy. So this is what the shade looks like. It looks like a true toned red. I don't want to open it up. It is sealed. Again, I don't know if I'm going to keep it. So certain things I won't open and swatch for you guys because I like to do my giveaways. My cat is going nuts. I do like to do giveaways. And so yeah, by the time one is ready, you know, you might be having some goodies up in there. So that we're going to put to the side. And then the last item, which this was like the only one I really wasn't thrilled about, which was the Refreshments Velvety Body Cream. This is the unscented. I did find this for $14.99. I mean, I like body cream. It's just this brand. I never tried this brand, so it's just like, I'm a little leery. And then because I was resubscribing, they were like, hey, do you want to try like a first month of their Refreshments subscription? Which I tried, and then I canceled it because I'm like, you know what? Am I really going to use this stuff? I don't know. And, but yeah, so it is sealed. I'm trying to see if this is, I don't know why I'm smelling it. It's sealed, you guys. Can you tell I'm sick? But yeah. So overall, this month's premium box, I liked everything except really the cream. But I can't say that I dislike the cream because I haven't tried it. I just like to buy my own specific stuff. So I'm hoping that this is going to work with sensitive skin. So let's read the back. It does say, dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow. Nourishes and restores. Quick absorbing, non-greasy. For 24-hour hydration. Kind to skin. I don't know if that means it's sensitive for sensitive skin. It does have shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. So there's that. So yeah, there's that. I probably would keep most of the stuff. Like, I think I'll keep this. I think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to keep this. Obviously, I don't know about the cream yet. Honestly, I know I'm going to keep definitely 3 of the items. As for the other 3, I'm not too sure. This one, just because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. This one, I do have lippies. A lot of lippies. You know, I don't want to keep so much stuff. But anyway, one other thing I did want to show you guys was the Refreshments subscription thing that they sent me for like the first month free. It came in this little bag here, and it had what, 2 products, I think. I don't know what this, we'll look at this one, I guess, first. Stickers. It came with stickers. Like, what am I, 12? Not even, 8? My daughter likes stickers. I'll give those to her. I don't know. I think that's stupid. And then it came with a little pamphlet that I guess describes what other stuff they have. Subscribe and save, yada, 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 yada. How this works. Schedule. I guess you can schedule it, but that's not the option I had on BoxyCharm. So, I mean, okay. It gives you some info about their stuff. Fine. I mean, whatever. They gave me makeup remover wipes, or no, I'm sorry, they're not makeup remover. They are cleansing face wipes. Again, I have sensitive skin, so I'm very picky with certain items. Hand cream. Sure, I'll probably use this. Ooh, it's scented. Citrus. It says citrus spritz on there. Is this sealed? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it is. I'll try it. Worst case, my hubby can always use a hand cream. And then this is a 30 count. I think I spent like $6 or $7. No, I'm sorry. I didn't spend it because my first month was free. But after the first month, it would have been like $6 or $7 for this stuff. Again, I canceled it because I don't see myself finding value in this. That's not stuff I buy or typically need. And if I do need it, I like to buy specific stuff for me. But yeah, so that wraps up this month's BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of February. I'm a little scared, you guys, for next month. And even the base box. I'm hoping the base box has a little correct doohickey. Maybe this was an accident and they just forgot to put it in. That has happened in previous months before. You know, like 2 years ago, whatever, when I did have the box. So, side note, BoxyCharm, I hope this is not a thing where you're not going to put the prices in, because that's no. I will unsubscribe. I will cancel my subscription after the year, because you already got my money. Okay. But yeah, no, I'll find somewhere else. Like, no, that's not okay. So fingers crossed that that's not a thing. But, so overall rating for the box, I'd probably give it like 3 stars out of 5. You know, it's not too bad. It wasn't a bad box. I still have yet to have my base box to kind of give my overall thoughts for this month's boxes. So hopefully it'll come soon. I mean, fingers crossed, you guys. So anyway, that wraps up this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Comment down below on your thoughts on this box. Do you have BoxyCharm? Do you like any of the items in the box? And if you haven't already, guys, sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.